All right, guys, we're going to continue with surface area and we're going to find the surface area of a cone. All right. So the surface area of a cone is, again, we can, if we want to envision, it's the area of all the surfaces if they were kind of flat. So in order to find that of a cone, we kind of want to see what it looks like if we were to open it up. The opening up here, this top part is a circle. And the triangular part, I can't really say it's a triangle, but it's going to look a little bit like a triangle, the base. All right. And then the top is actually going to be curved a little bit. That's what it would be if we were to open it up. Now, this is not drawn to scale. Okay. So these are the two parts. If we add the two parts, their area, that'll give me the total surface area. To find the area of a circle, again, we're just going to do pi times the radius squared. This part, this is where it's a little bit different. To find the area of this, we need a new concept, a new length. It's called the slant height. I'll write it down. Slant height. And the slant height is not a direct height, how tall something is. It's if it's angled, it's from the top to the bottom. If it's angled, so kind of like this, from the bottom to the top of it, but it's not a straight up and down line. It's not perpendicular to the floor. This is called the slant height. And it's often going to be use the cursive letter L. Okay, I'm not sure why, just that's what it is. So we're going to need to use that. So the area of this piece of this triangular looking base is going to be pi times the radius times the slant height. All right. And that's how we can find the surface area of a cone. So this cone specifically, if I want to find the area of the top circle, I'm going to do pi times my radius squared, or pi times 4. 4 pi will give me, do 4 times 3.14. The circle is going to be 12.56, or it might be 4 pi, depending on what they're asking for. Now the triangular looking base, we're going to do pi times the radius of the whole figure. Not the radius of this, but the radius of the cone. Make sure that's clear. The radius of the cone is 2 times the slant height, L. The slant height it's given is 6. This becomes 2 times 6, 12 pi. Now if I want to do 12 times pi, 12 times 3.14, 37.68, or 12 pi. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add them together. Plus 12.56. My total surface area is going to be 50.24 inches squared. Or if I wanted to just add the pi's, I could do 4 pi plus 12 pi. That gives me 16 pi. Both of these answers represent, I should say inches squared. Both of these answers represent the total surface area, the area of all the surfaces of this cone.